Get ready for a mind-bending numerical puzzle. Four tiny equations hide four unknowns, and by combining logic and algebra, we will uncover the exact values of A, B, C, and D. In this video, we analyze a diagram that provides four equations. These equations are A multiplied by B equals 21. A plus C equals 8. B multiplied by D equals 9. C minus D equals 5. Our goal is to determine the value of each variable. We label these equations respectively as equations 1, 2, 3, and 4. By subtracting equation 4 from equation 2, we obtain A plus D equals 3. We label this as equation 5. From equation 1, we deduce B equals 21 divided by A. From equation 3, we also deduce B equals 9 divided by D. Equating these two expressions for B leads to 21 divided by A equals 9 divided by D. Cross-multiplying gives 9 multiplied by A equals 21 multiplied by D. This simplifies to 3 multiplied by A equals 7 multiplied by D. We keep this result. Next, we multiply equation 5 by 3, giving 3 multiplied by a plus 3 multiplied by D equals 9. Replacing 3 multiplied by A with 7 multiplied by D from our previous result gives 7 multiplied by D plus 3 multiplied by D equals 9, which implies 10 multiplied by D equals 9. Thus, D equals 9 divided by 10, which equals 0.9. We substitute this value of D into equation 4 to get C minus 0.9 equals 5, which implies C equals 5.9. Next, substituting this value of C into equation 2 gives A plus 5.9 equals 8, which implies that A equals 2.1. Finally, substituting A into equation 1 gives 2.1 multiplied by B equals 21, which implies B equals 10. By systematically combining the four equations, we successfully determine the values of all variables. A equals 2.1, B equals 10, C equals 5.9, and D equals 0.9. If this structured breakdown was instructive for you, and you want more guided puzzle solutions, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you never miss a new challenge. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.